Now in the chapter of trigo ratio, let's take a look at checkpoint 10.4 part A. Now they're telling you that a vertical pole PQ is erected on top of a cliff, means that this distance is actually a cliff. Okay, so cliff. Angle of elevation on top of the cliff is seen as boat B anchored at 85 meters away. Okay, and that is 56. And then the angle of elevation of the top of the pole as observed from the boat at the same position is actually 60 degrees. So they're asking you to find the height of the cliff. Okay, so straightforward. You have angle, opposite, adjacent. Again, so you have tangent 56 degrees equals to, okay, let's let this be x. Okay, no, let this bottom part be x. So qx over 85. So qx equals to 85 tangent 56 degrees, which will give you 126 here. Okay, that's a very good number. Alright, so then part 2, they're asking you to find the height of the vertical pole. So what's the vertical pole? The vertical pole is just PQ, correct? So you just take the big triangle. So big triangle is PXB. So this is 60, right? This is 85 meters. So PX. Okay, what I'll do is again, opposite, adjacent, right? So tangent 60 equals to PX over 85. Okay, which means PX equals to 85 tangent 60. Alright, which means that this is 147.22. Okay, once done, remember, okay, you have to minus out. So PQ equals to 147.22 minus away QX, which is 126. So you have your answer as 21.22, rounding off to 3SF meter, 3SF. Okay, you're not done. So the next question, the next part of the question says, if the boat drifts away from the cliff such that the distance from the foot of the cliff is now 95 meters, find the angle of depression of the boat from the top of the cliff. So reminder, okay, angle of elevation is the same as angle of depression. Okay, so what's the question actually trying to tell you? They're trying to tell you that if I have a diagram that looks like that, okay, now this P, Q, X, right? Then this is B. They are telling you that now I extend further, okay, and then, okay, let me draw using a different color. So then you have an extended version here. Can you see? Okay. Right, so you have an extended version, and this is the angle you're looking for. Why? Because this is your angle of depression. Angle of depression. Okay, so angle of depression equals the angle of elevation. So let's just use this one. Okay, then you know that this entire length is 95. Alright, and then this PX is whatever you found on top, 147.22. So if you're trying to find this particular angle, actually it's quite straightforward. What you do is tangent, okay, let this angle of depression, so I'll let angle of depression be theta. So tangent theta equals to 147.22 over 95. So tangent equals theta equals to tangent inverse 147.22 over 95. Okay, so in this question, you'll get answer is 57.166139, which is 1 dp here, so 57.2, 1 dp. Okay, so answer the question. So therefore, angle of depression, okay, is 57.2 degrees. All right.